Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. We are still on our Daniel fast and today is day 16. Yes, and we are going to have some delicious recipe. But before then, let's look at our Bible verses and our quotes for day 16. Our Bible verses are Esther 4, Psalm 145 and Psalm 146. Our quote reads, "The most compelling reason why a forgiven person ought to be the most forgiving individual is for Jonathan's sake, that is for Christ's sake." Written by Samuel Cratton Pipim from the book Hope Through the Dark. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for me. And so day 16, we are going to have some Bambara beans with some fried plantain. Yes, this is African Daniel fast for you. And so please do want to share this video for me, like, leave a comment, and enjoy the recipe. Okay, so we are going to make use of Bambara beans, and because it's hard to boil, you have to soak it, if not overnight, at least soak it for 4 hours. So I've soaked, wash it well, and it's on fire. Yes, and we are going to cook this for it to be tender. So we can see that the Bambara beans is getting there. So I just added water to it, and I'm going to add my vegetables, that is onion and tomatoes, and also my carrots, and then green bell pepper, salt as well, chili pepper, black and white pepper also. Okay, so let's check on our Bambara beans. Okay, it's getting there. Infante was aboboy, so that is how we call it, infante aboboy. I don't know about the other languages. Okay, so it's now soft, and we'll quickly add our sliced tomatoes and then give it time for it to cook, for the tomatoes to blend in, and we are adding our salt also to it. Yes, so let's check on it. We are going to add our chili pepper to it. Our chili pepper or our chili powder. Yes, just adjust the quantity to your preference. And we are going to add our black and white pepper also. Try this method and you will love it. And we are going to add our carrot and bell pepper, green bell pepper. And we don't intend to cook the vegetables for it to be soft, because the beans is well cooked. So we are going to add our onions also. Okay, and then we will stir and cover for some few minutes, and it's almost ready. Yes, almost ready. And so the next thing to do is to get your ripe plantain, slice them, add water and salt to it, wash it well. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons to it, and that'll be okay. Yes, then cover and let it take its time, and then you fry your plantain. Fry the plantain, and then you can enjoy it. So our Bambara or aboboy is ready. Yes, it's ready, and our plantain is also ready. And so we are going to serve this. Okay, so we are going to add our plantain to it. You will love this recipe. Give it a try. Even if you're not on Daniel fast, I beg, try this. You are going to enjoy it. Okay. And so please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. I did 1 meal a day, so I fasted throughout the day and ate this around 3 to 4 p.m. And so this is it. If you don't know what Daniel fast is all about, I have a link in the description box. Watch and you will understand. Also, I have the recipes for the previous days, also the links in the description box. Just click on them and watch and then practice it. You will love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you say a prayer, do say some for me. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.